In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create dynamic coupon code in Klaviyo. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and looking at your main dashboard. We are going to create a coupon that Klaviyo can manage and distribute, so you can include it in emails or flows and share it with the right audience. First, go to the left sidebar and find Content. Click Content and then select Coupons. This will take you to the Coupons area, where you can create and manage coupon sets that can be used in your campaigns and automations. Once you are on the Coupons page, look to the top right and click Create Uploaded Coupon. This option is used when you want to define a coupon set inside Klaviyo and prepare it for sending. After you click it, a setup screen will open where you will define the coupon details. Now, enter your coupon name. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize later when you are inserting it into an email or a flow. For example, you might use a simple label like a welcome discount name. The key tip here is to use a consistent naming style so your team can quickly find the right coupon in the future. Next, set the minimum coupon count. This setting is important because it helps ensure you have enough unique codes available to send out. If you plan to send the coupon to a large list, make sure this number is high enough so you do not run out of codes while a campaign is still active. Planning for extra volume is a good practice, especially if you reuse the coupon in multiple sends. After that, set the expiration. You can choose an expiration timeframe like after 1 year or set a specific date. Pick the option that matches your promotion. A fixed date is helpful for limited time offers, while a longer window works better for evergreen welcome or loyalty discounts. Always align the expiration with what you intend to communicate to customers. When everything looks correct, click Create Coupon. Klaviyo will save it and make it available for use. At this point, your coupon is ready, and you can now share it by adding it to your messaging where needed. That covers everything you need to know.